Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. This video features a simple recipe for dried egg noodles with mini wontons, also known as Wonton Dried Noodles. First, cook a simple soup with chicken drumstick. You can use more chicken drumstick if you are preparing more portions. For this recipe, I'm cooking for one plate, one portion. Let the soup come to a fast boil and simmer for 30 minutes on low heat. Here add in ginger slices, a dash of pepper and salt, sesame oil, some carrot slices, goji berries, and spring onions. You can add any seasoning that you desire. While the soup is boiling, wash the mustard leaves or yu chai. Peel and cut the carrots in slices. Blanch these vegetables in boiling water, which takes 1 minute or 2. Take out swiftly and don't overcook the vegetables. Next, loosen the egg noodles. There are 4 noodles clumps and I'm using just 1. These fresh noodles need to be used 1 week after opening the package. In boiling water, blanch and cook for 2 minutes. Loosen the noodles with the chopsticks to get rid of the starch so that it will not stick together. Followed by preparing the homemade sauce. 2 tablespoons of homemade garlic oil. See another video on how to prepare this garlic oil. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce and dark caramelized soy sauce. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Adjust the seasoning to your desired taste. Mix the cooked noodles into the sauce. Now place the carrots and vegetables onto the plate. Last but not least, put in the bibigo mini wontons into the chicken soup. Let the soup come to a quick boil. It takes only 5 minutes to cook the mini wontons. So serve the soup together with the plate of noodles. You can put the mini wontons and chicken slices on the noodles itself. Ta-da! A bowl of noodles. Delicious. Hope you like this simple recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe to help others find this recipe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.